YouTube, what's going on? Take 3. This is take 3, believe it or not. It just kept corrupting on my laptop, on my iMac, sorry. So I've got it on the iPad. See how it goes. So as you guys can see, we are at a crucial point right now for Litecoin. And I mean very crucial point. If you guys have been following the channel, thank you so much for staying with me. I know we stopped doing videos, but we're back again now for a very long time. And I'll be consistent now because this is my solely thing that I'm focusing on now, trading, cryptocurrency and foreign exchange. So here we are. As you can see, looking straight back at this weekly chart, it's always amazing to look back so you can see where the key structure supports are, where we actually bounce off of, or if we get rejected from key places. As you can see right here, we got rejected first here from $100, here from $100, bounced off $100, rejected, bounced off, and now we came down. So what does this show? It shows that $100 is a very, very strong psychological point for the market, or for Litecoin. So what can we expect? Well, jump into the daily time frame. This is what I'm expecting. So first of all, I want to show a massive key feature right here. So we had this massive run up to $300. I remember this because I actually got in on this massive brush, which I'm very thankful for. And as we came down, we fell all the way to $100 straight away. And we got a nice double bounce off it, double bottom, rejected straight off it. Nice 39% gain for whoever got in on that. I did not get in on that. 39% gain. Came back down. 30% gain. Came back down. Everyone who wanted and missed out on these gains thinking it was fluke, what did they do? Oh, let me just buy at $100 here. That's close enough. Let me buy there. Wait for their 30% gain. Didn't happen. Came down. Folded. Instead, they were welcomed with a minus 40 to 50% loss in their whole portfolio. Okay? So throughout this whole period of time, and you might be wondering, why am I telling you this? Well, this is why. They had to wait 6 to 8 months in order to just get back to the break even. That's how long they were waiting to get back to break even. If you guys watched the last few videos that I posted on Litecoin, I was telling my Discord group, or well, I told my Discord group to buy at 41 right here, and we sold it at over $60. I think it was about here, $62. Yeah, looked perfectly. And we did that 3 times. We did it once there, we did it once here, and once here. We didn't capitalize any movement up here because I wasn't doing any videos from then, and I wasn't trading from then either. I've been looking at the chart, but right here, I'm not looking at anything. I can see a potential short trade coming in right now, but from this period in time, we did not do anything. So my last call is just saying that right now, everyone who bought in at $100 thinking that they could make these massive gains were welcomed with a big loss. So these people who had to wait so long just to get break even. So that's why we could expect a big sell here. I'm not saying this to scare you guys off. I'm not a bear. I'm not a bull. I'm both. I trade the markets and I see what the market present me. I'm long-term extremely bullish on Litecoin. I believe the halving will capitalize on Litecoin and project it straight up into the atmosphere. I do believe that with my whole heart. So I'm just waiting for that opportunity to come. And I'm waiting for this bloody coin right here to come down to lower levels before I can get a massive push. That's what I'm waiting for. But why am I saying that? Well, we had a big push after straight away off a double top. Now we've got a bigger time frame double top happening right here. And this could actually be everyone who's actually waited for Litecoin to get back to $100 when they bought in last May. They could be starting to sell off now thinking, you know what? I'm back at break even. I got my money back. I'm not in a 50% loss anymore. Let me just get out. And that is a very, very good opportunity. We're in a big ascending channel here. We've got horizontal resistance right here. And we've actually retested and broken below the channel again. So this is showing me that the downside is looking likely, which is why I have entered into my position. Okay. If you guys watched my video from yesterday, my Forex video, I actually am doing a few Forex challenges where I'm trying to gain access to prop firms. So that is where a proprietary firm will give you a few $100,000 if you pass their challenge with certain requirements, like meeting a profit target of 10%, then you'll be funded with 100, 200, up to $1 million in funds. So that's what I'm actually doing. If you guys want to watch that video, check it out. But yeah, that's what I'm doing on the Forex side of things. But you guys know crypto is where I started, and that is where I always will be. But as you can see right now, we are bang in a beautiful, beautiful profit right now. I did enter a bit early, actually. So what you guys want to wait for before you enter into these trades is you want to wait for a break of this structure, retest, and start coming down rather than anything else. But honestly, I just saw us retest, carry on, come back down, and I thought I'd enter very nicely. And I got a secure stop loss, above the previous high. So if we get above there, then I know I don't want to be in the trade because price might start finding support on these region right here and start continuing upwards. So just got to be very careful in the market, guys. But I do see this starting to come down, maybe retest up here again and come down again. That's what I am looking for, and I do believe will happen. Extra confluence is, if you guys don't believe, I actually created my own robot, my own trading robot, which is actually gave me the extra confidence to get into this trade, because it actually triggered me with a short trade here, because my robot is actually very good on crypto trades, indices, forex. But yeah, I do fine tune it for cryptocurrencies, because that is what a lot of robots can't do, that I've been testing and things. But my one is actually doing very good for forex and crypto. So let me just show you guys that right now. So this is one trade we put on. This is a foreign exchange trade. It enters the trade, manages the trade, and exits the trade for you. Here's another one yesterday, another two yesterday. There's that one there, big one there. Here, another one yesterday. Bang, and again. So there are a few of these trades. These are completely automated, 100% automated. If you guys do want to join that, you can, if you join the Patreon down below, you get access to the Discord where I am, where a few members are. You get access to the robot as well. So you guys just make consistent profits, and that's all you need in trading, whether it's cryptocurrency, whether it's metals, whether it's stocks, whether it's shares, whether it's foreign exchange. It's consistency, and you can create your own strategy using my robot. That's the brilliant thing about it. So feel free to join down below and speak to the community members and speak to me. But yeah, this is literally what I see happening with Litecoin at a short time frame. For this to become invalid, I would actually need to see a massive, on the hourly, I want to go to the hourly to show you why this would be invalid, okay? So what you can see here is, you can also see a massive push down, and we had a big break to upside, okay, out of this falling wedge, retest, and we could see a big bounce off this horizontal resistance, okay? That is a possibility, and why you might be thinking, why are you saying that when you're expecting a short? Well, this is why. So it works two ways. So even though you would think that a lot of people would sell here, that is the whole point. So everyone put their stop losses just where I put mine above, and it could become a liquidity grab. So we could see a massive spike here, and then just see price rocket upwards, okay? In the same thing, we could see price trend above here. A lot of buyers in the market, bulls, put their stop loss just below here, and then we could wipe it all out. Okay, so two things can happen. That's why it's very important to watch the markets carefully now before you enter into anything. I entered into this trade, but I will be moving stop loss to break even as soon as we break below this horizontal support, this big line right here, because that is safety for me. We're above this big support zone of $100, and obviously I can let the trade run and do its own thing. If you guys want to enter into trades like this, join the Patreon down below. You won't regret it, and I can assure you with that as well. You guys will find it very educational, very helpful. And yeah, I'm glad to be back. If you guys enjoyed this video and want to see another video on Bitcoin, a different altcoin of your choosing, put it in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to check out a video on that and check out some analysis on it. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, smash that like button, give me a follow, give me a subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.